What is up, guys, and welcome back to another dope video with yours truly. So finally I'm doing my giveaway. I'm so sorry it's taken so long. I just basically was waiting on me to reach my goal of 250 subscribers, and thankfully enough I actually exceeded that goal. So I do appreciate all your love and your support. So I definitely want to give back to my subscribers. So the link for the giveaway is going to be down in the description. It is through bling.com. So there's a few ways to go ahead and enter. It'll be through Facebook, liking my Facebook page, liking my Instagram, and then of course subscribing to this YouTube channel. You guys just make sure you share it, with your friends and your family members. They can also, join in the giveaway. I definitely want to have faithful subscribers though. So I'm doing this for the people who love to watch my videos and who give me support from the beginning. I really appreciate it, and I wish you guys all the luck. And yeah, these are the items that I'll be giving away. They will be right down below. You should see those two. It is going to be a Urban Decay. What I'll be giving away will be a Urban Decay Heavy Metals eyeshadow palette, and then I'll also be giving away, you'll have the choice of 2 pairs of sunglasses. Summer's around the corner. We see it outside. It's bright and shiny here in Texas. So I'll be giving 1 of 2 pairs away. So you'll have the choice of either or. So yeah, those are the 2 things that I'll be giving away. So again, I wish you guys all the luck. I love you guys. I appreciate all your support, and